Ganito po yung pag-play ng intro, no? Tsaka verse 1. Pakinggan natin.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I get to take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight I had something wonderful.
Hi guys, I am Richard.
And I'm Richard Song.
Welcome to our channel,
2XE TV, your extraordinary easy guitar buddies.
times 2.
Hi mga ka-2XE.
Dito naman po kami ngayon para sa isang napakagandang kanta ni Ed Sheeran. Yung sikat na sikat po ngayon. Ang title ay
Bad Habits.
yun, mga bad habits po natin. Iwasan na po natin. Joke lang po. So yun po, no? Yung sikat na kanta ngayon ni Ed Sheeran. Trending po siya sa music. Yung intro niya ay B minor, tapos D minor AJ7,
D major.
D major,
D major 7.
D major 7 po pala. Yun. Tapos G sustain 2 tsaka A. Medyo mahirap po konti yung chords niya, no? Pero kayang-kaya nyo po to practicein. Tapos yung verse niya, B minor, tapos D major 7, tapos G sustain. So, parang sa intro lang, tapos
Pero wala nang A.
wala ng A, oo, tama. Tapos yung sa last na stanza niya is B minor, D major 7, tsaka E minor 7. Yun. So, yun po, no? Ganito po yung pag-play ng intro, no? Tsaka verse 1. Pakinggan natin.
Every time you come around, you know I can't say no. Every time the sun goes down, I get to take control. I can feel the paradise before my world implodes. And tonight I had something wonderful.
Ayan po, no? So, yun po yung intro tsaka verse. And yung sa chorus naman po, yung chords niya, parang ganun pa rin, no? Ganun pa rin yung chords niya. B minor, D major 7, tsaka G sustain 2. Tapos may A na kasama. So, ganito po yung pag-play niya, no? Sa chorus.
My bad habits sit to late nights, spending alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but probably won't. I got nothing left to lose for you. I do my bad habits sit to white, I can stand the pain. And I know I lose control of the decency. Yeah, I just let it fall away, I can't escape. I got nothing left to lose for you. Do my bad habits to you. Ooh, bad habits to you.
So, yun po, no? Yun po yung chorus niya. Tapos yung post-chorus din, yung woo-woo. Yun po, no? D major 7, tsaka G sustain. Ganun pa rin yung chords. Tapos may A na siya. And yung sa verse 2 naman po, no? So, ganito po yung pag-play ng verse 2.
Every pure intention ends when the good times start. Falling over something that does part. It started under neon lights and then it all got dark. We only know how to go too far.
So yun po, no? Yun po yung sa verse 2. So yun po yung verse 2, no? So yung chorus niya ay same chords ng chorus 1. So ganito po yung pag-play ng chorus 2, no?
My bad habits hit too late night, spinning alone. Conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this would be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use. Or do my bad habits hit too late and it's wearing the pain. And I know we lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was stuck far away. How I can't escape. Nothing happened after two. It's true. My bad habits hit to you. Woo. Bad habits hit to you. Woo.
So yun po, no? So yun yung chorus at chorus, second chorus, tsaka second post-chorus. So may bridge din po yung kanta, no? Pero yung chords niya halos same pa din, no?
Pero may F sharp minor na siya.
Oo, tama. May F sharp minor na. So pag sa bridge, ganito po yung sa bridge, no?
We took a long way down, but to the sun.
So yun po, no? Tapos babalik po tayo chorus 3 na, tapos post-chorus din, no? Pero same lang ng chords, tama, no? Same lang ng chords sa chorus 2. So yun po. So ganito po yung ganun po yung bridge, no? Tapos ganito yung kasunod niya, chorus 3 na, tsaka post-chorus 3. Yun, daming chorus sa kanta. Pero ang ganda po ng kanta, no? So papakita namin kung paano i-play yung chorus 3 hanggang matapos yung kanta sa post-chorus 3. So ganito po yun.
My bad habits hit too late nights, ended alone. Conversation with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this should be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use. Or do my bad habits hit too late, like staring in pain. And I know we lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was running for away. Yeah, I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true. My bad habits hit to you. Woo. Bad habits hit to you. Woo. Bad habits hit to you.
Ayan po, no? So ganun lang po yung pag-play sa kanya, yung sikat na kanta ngayon na Bad Habits. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana may mga natutunan kayo sa amin. Hindi lang yung mga kalokohan. Yun po, no? So practice lang po tayo sa gitara. Yun lang din po yung ginagawa namin para matuto kami. Practice lang. Tsaka meron po tayong website na pwedeng pagpunan ng mga chords, yung Ultimate Guitar, tsaka marami pang iba. So practice lang po. Kung kayang-kaya nyo po yan. So maraming salamat sa panonood. Kami po ulit ang 2XE.
Subscribe kayo
Subscribe po kayo sa channel namin. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Ingat po tayo lahat. Bye!